This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by adding Riverpod to your Flutter project via PubSpec. YAML dependencies. Use Riverpod 2.0.0 and Flutter Riverpod 2.0.0 for compatibility. Run Flutter pub get to install packages and update your lock file. Wrap your app with ProviderScope at the top of the widget tree. ProviderScope stores all provider state for your entire application lifecycle. Use a main function that runs run app, const ProviderScope, child, my app. This setup initializes Riverpod before any widgets build and before UI rendering begins. Define providers as top-level variables so they remain globally accessible. Use provider for read-only values and state provider for simple mutable state. Use future provider or stream provider for asynchronous data sources like HTTP calls. In widgets, prefer ConsumerWidget and use widget ref to access providers. Read values with ref. Watch my provider to rebuild on changes. Write or mutate state with ref. Read my state provider. Notifier, state or notifier methods. Always keep providers pure and avoid depending on build context inside provider functions. For unit and widget tests, wrap the tested widget in a ProviderScope to supply providers. Override providers using ProviderScope. Overrides, my provider. Override with value test value to inject fake dependencies. In tests, use container equals provider container for pure provider testing without widgets. Use ref. Watch in UI to rebuild on provider changes and ref. Read for callbacks or one-time actions. Prefer small, focused providers and separate business logic from UI for easier testing. Use logging, DevTools, and Provider Observer to trace provider lifecycle and debug state changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.